Welcome to our new online giving for the Cathedral of St. Mary and St. Anne Church. To get there, you'll begin on our homepage and you'll click on the Giving button. From here, you'll select the parish that you prefer to give for your online giving, and it will take you to a very similar giving form that you're used to. Here, you can give as a guest, but we would really love for you to sign into your account so you can see your current recurring gifts. Here, you'll click Sign In. Through the transition, you were each given a new account. And so, in order to access that account, we're actually going to ask you to use the Forgot Your Password. In the email where you saw this video, you will see your first name, last name, email address, and mobile phone number as it is in the system for our online giving program. We're going to ask you to fill in your first name, last name, and email address exactly as it's in the system. If you do not have access to that email address anymore, then please call the parish office and speak to Joe, and he will update your email address so that you can then create your account. From here, you'll hit next. You'll get a code in your email that you'll need to put in here to verify that it's you, and then you'll be able to log in. When you log in, you'll be able to see your recurring gifts. If you don't see your recurring gifts or you get an error, please do not hesitate to call the parish office and we will help you connect your account. We really appreciate your gift and your generosity to support our mission and your patience during this transition.